I just want to show you what we mean when we say shaping the back neck. I'm having you bind off 9 stitches here and then knit to the end of the row. And then when you turn, you're going to bind off 9 stitches here and purl to the end of the row, which will be a shorter row because you'll have just bound off these 9 stitches. Then you're going to bind off 6 stitches here, and the number will vary depending on how many stitches wide you've got the back of your sweater. So you bind off 6 here, knit to the end of this row, bind off 6 here, and then purl, and then you just bind off the last stitches. And so that builds a little height at the back of the neck, and it makes your collar stand up better. So we're going to be picking up stitches all the way here around for the neck, which I'll show you in the next video, and then it helps the collar of your sweater stand up better on the back of your neck.